Now to what could be a precedent-setting legal case. The judge ruling a Tops mass shooting lawsuit against several social media platforms can now move forward.
The civil suit was filed by the 10 families who lost loved ones in that racially motivated attack back in May of 2022. The lawsuit claiming hateful and extremist content online contributed to the radicalizing the gunman. Attorneys for the social media companies wanted the case dismissed, arguing they only provide a platform for third-party content and should not be held liable. 7 News is a voice for everyone, and tonight our senior reporter Eileen Buckley is giving a platform to lawyers who say this lawsuit can set the stage on the accountability of social media moving forward.
The lawsuit that we filed is the first of its kind in the nation to hold social media platforms for a mass shooting.
This decision is critical. This decision is everything.
This father-daughter legal team is fighting for justice for some of the families of the May 14th, 2022 mass shooting at the Tops on Jefferson Avenue in Buffalo. On Monday, they learned a state Supreme Court justice denied several social media giants' requests to dismiss the lawsuit against them.
It's a very narrow question the judge had to answer, which was, is there any sort of legal theory that she can pull together that makes sense out of our complaint? I think we had a very thorough complaint. She's not going to have to look very far to find those legal theories against these major social media companies that will eventually stand up.
These social media companies include YouTube, Reddit, and Discord.
We had a very unique lawsuit where we did not sue the social media platforms based upon the speech that was said, but we sued them on manufacturing design or product design, that they're a dangerous product.
It's not only the content that they, quote unquote, users put out there, but the actual product design that encourages these doctrines and ideologies to flourish.
I caught up with attorneys Kristen Elmore Garcia and her dad, John Elmore, in their offices. They say the social media platforms catered to the top shooters' racist ideologies.
He was motivated. He learned all of these theories basically on the social media platforms.
Both Reddit and Google YouTube telling me they will appeal and provided statements. Reddit stated hate and violence have no place on Reddit and that its site explicitly prohibits content that promotes hate. Google YouTube saying, we have the deepest sympathies for the victims and families of the horrific attack. And through the years, YouTube has invested in technology, teams, and policies to identify and remove extremist content.
Hopefully the judge will allow us to proceed to the discovery phase while those appeals are pending. We don't want to waste any time. We're ready for the next stage.
For now, the attorneys tell me Monday's decision was a moment of joy for the families they represent. Eileen Buckley, 7 News, Buffalo.